Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm gonna walk you through how to log in Tolan app on a device. So Tolan Alien Best Friend app. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. As we know that Tolan app is a virtual companionship, entertainment and role play, and has a creative storytelling. So this app is very creative. So to explore, you need to log into this app. So to log in, you need to go to the option, the app Tolan. So this is the very first homepage of this app, and now you need to just click on this arrow button.
What's your name?
So what's your name? So I have to follow the instruction.
How old are you?
I am 21 years old.
Welcome, traveler. Here we find the planet Portola, home to the Tolans. Tolans are friendly little aliens who love to chat. All Tolans hope to meet their very own human friend. That's why they come to see me, the Oracle. I match a lucky few Tolans and humans together with the goal of forming true friendships. Now it's your turn. No matter what you love, there's a special Tolan waiting to meet you. Now let's go find yours. Greetings, Ishana. Tap the microphone to begin.
So you need to just follow or confirm the few instructions given by this app, and like this app asks you some kinds of questions that you need to answer it, and after that you will be able to log into the app. So let's answer the questions. So this is how you can chat with this app, and here you can see that this line, after completing this line, you will be able to log into this app. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.